Hello, so today I'm going to be talking about an organization or charity called Food for the Hungry. And what this organization does is that it gives us the ability to sponsor or give money to children living in poverty. So first off, did you know that well over 355 million children are struggling in poverty right now? In fact, according to Thomson Reuters Foundation, about a third of the world's population is struggling with poverty and receiving corruption where they live, and their human freedom, their rights are being abused, and that causes them to be more prone to being in poverty or even extreme poverty. So what we as Americans can do to help them is to find an organization or charity like Food for the Hungry, and we can sponsor a child or just donate money to that specific organization, which can help those people who are struggling in poverty. According to World Vision, all these people that are struggling with poverty, some of them don't even have a home to live in, or if they do, it's more run down, and that is not the best living conditions. And they lack food and water, they lack basic necessities such as anything that we as Americans take for granted. They lack those necessities. And they're also more prone to infection and illness because of that, and because of the lack of sanitation in their area or where they live. And a lot of this takes place in third world countries and settings. So our call to action to help these people as Americans, we live in a very wealthy country, and we really take for granted what we do have and what other people don't have. So, because they can't always help themselves, it might be something from their government is limiting them towards, or just where they live, they physically can't do anything about it, and don't have a say in what happens to them. So it's up to us as Americans to help them and give to them, such as through Food for the Hungry.